Women's Magrita short sleeve shirts, plus size dressy casual blouses, clutching cuff boho v-neck tops, 100% polyester pull-on imported closure, hand washing only features, designs in solid colors, floral prints, or leopard print, v-neck, short sleeves, pullover or button down. Vivid colors, airy fabric, and loose shape. Material, 142% advanced polyester. To raise the quality, all shirts now have updated fabrics. Cool and breathable, silky soft, cozy, and skin-friendly. Women's button-down shirts come in a variety of styles that can be paired with a camisole, shorts, jeans, leggings, skirts, high heels, and sneakers to create both a sensual and stylish look as well as a chic professional attire. It is a need for ladies' and girls' wardrobes. Occasion, appropriate for everyday wear in the spring, summer, and fall. It is a perfect option for every event including street, dating, shopping, at home, at work, in school, at parties, on weekends, at picnics, on vacation, while traveling, while participating in sports, etc. Please select your fit size in accordance with the brand's sizing chart. Women who enjoy wearing huge clothing are advised to use the size chart and select a size up. A chic printed t-shirt for ladies that goes with all kinds of bottoms and is suitable for daily wear. It has an attractive design, a round neck, and short sleeves. Clothing for women, gender ivory in color, round neck, printed pattern, a short sleeve. Model is wearing a UK 18. Model's measurements are as follows: height 176 centimeters, waist 84 centimeters, hips 125 centimeters. Cleaning advice: machine wash cold clothing, cotton 100% polyester pull-on fastening chiffon is only hand washable. All polyester, without stretch, but cool for the summer. Select your size cautiously. Features: loose-fitting shirt, v-neck, solid and floral print, cap sleeves. Occasion: ideal for ladies' daily wear, parties, work, professional settings, offices, interviews, evening wear, going out clothes. Stylish 2023, boutique apparel, and adorable shirts that flatter. Enjoy the comfortable fit. Wear it for work, the weekend, traveling, parties, shopping, running, yoga, fitness, and other activities. Wash by hand. Please consider if you like this style before purchasing, since bright white is somewhat sheer.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.